on, guys? It's your boy Phillips POV back here with another video on my BMW E90. Today, guys, I'm going to be showing you guys all of the little hidden features, kind of hidden tricks, just basically anything that not every BMW E90 owner may know. This could just include like the smallest little details that you may know, like buttons that exist that you may have not seen, little functions that not everyone uses. I'm gonna put a list of them down in the description with little timestamps. So if you do want to just skip to one that sounds interesting to you, you can do that, or you could just watch all the way through and you guys will see all of the little hidden features that you may see. All right, so for the first hidden feature of the car, what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna grab your key. I'm actually gonna show you guys, I think, 3 different little features on the key itself. So if you want to bring the camera over here, Mr. Director. The first one is if you hold the unlock button, so this top little house button, and you hold it, if you look at the car, you can roll down all the windows. This is a very useful trick for in the summer when it's a really hot day out and you wanna get your windows rolled down without having to get to your car. So before you get there, you kind of roll them down, get them ready. Now the second one kind of just goes along with the first. If you click the lock button, so the center BMW icon, and you hold it, as you guys can see, all the windows will roll up depending on how long you hold it. As you guys saw, I let it go, so it stopped, but now they're all rolled up just like that. Now for the third hidden feature, this has to do just with the key. If you guys see right here, there's a little indent, and not many people actually know this, but there is actually a key in here. I know it's a little dirty, but there's actually a key in here which you can use to unlock your car. If your battery dies and you need to get in your car, you can just plop that right in there, turn it to the side, and you got your car unlocked just like that. The next hidden feature, guys, you can actually enable to close your mirrors with your key fob. If you guys do want to know how to do that, I have another video I filmed showing you guys how to code that with the BMW computer. I'll leave that link down in the description. So if you do hold your lock button for 2 seconds, the mirrors will automatically close. Not all BMW 90s do this. It actually has to be programmed to do that. It's a pretty simple thing. If you just watch the tutorial, I think it was like a 9-minute video on my channel, you'll be able to do that. So for the next hidden feature, guys, if you guys see right here, this little circle, what this does is actually it senses light that is coming into this rear view mirror. So if there's someone behind you who has high beams on, this will automatically dim so that it doesn't mess with your eyes when you're trying to look back here. All right, the next feature, guys, is something that not a lot of people know or like necessarily use, but if you look under here on the rear view mirror, you can see that there's a button 1, 2, and 3. And I know this may be something that some people may know, but not a lot of people actually utilize this and use it. But what this does is this can be programmed to your garage door. So if you have a garage door opener, you don't need to carry 3 different ones around if you had like multiple garages. But you can program these numbers to individual garages. So when you get home, you just click that and boom, your garage door opens. You don't have to keep using 3 different like controllers for that. Guys, for the next hidden feature, I'm going to be showing you guys how to change on your dashboard where the little screen is. I'm going to show you guys how to change your miles to kilometers and how to change your miles per gallon to kilometers per liter. So basically, this is something that not a lot of people do, but sometimes I like to have it on just for fun. But if you go over here to your menu, you have this option called configurations, just CONFIG. You click it. Once you're in here, if you go to the very left, it says miles distance. You can actually switch this by scrolling over to kilometer and then just click. And then you can also go to consumption. So how much miles per gallon you're getting, you can scroll left again and you can change it to kilometers per liter. Once you've done that, right here, if you can see over there, you see now I have 142,000 kilometers driven on the car, 324 in this trip, and then we have 8.4 kilometers per liter. All right, guys, for the next little hidden feature that is on the car, if you guys see the mirrors right now, I'm just gonna fold them, so I'm gonna close them up just like that. And the little hidden feature that it has is if sometimes you guys forget to open them up, what you can actually do is if you get to 25 miles per hour, they will automatically unfold. So let's just head out right now so I can show you guys that. I'm just gonna go like 25 right here. All right, guys, so if you guys see, we're going about 10 right now. Let's just get to 25 right here. And as you guys can see, they are unfolding now. That's a pretty useful feature if you ask me, just because some people do forget to drive and like look at them sometimes, so they might just forget them closed. All right, for the next hidden feature, we're gonna access the secret menu that's on here that allows you to see some of your air lights, and you can actually reset some of them. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna have your car completely off, and you're gonna click the start button once and then a second time until it's just on the battery, it's not turned on. And right here where you have this little button, what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold it down until this little triangle appears, and once that triangle appears, you keep holding it down and you'll see the menu pop up. So let's just hold this down, you guys will see what happens. There it is right here. Now once you're here, basically if you can scroll through using this little dial right here, you can scroll with that, and you could actually go through any of these options, and whichever one you want to reset, all you have to do is click and it'll reset it. So basically if you come here and you hold this, you just click that for a second, it'll say reset, and you can basically reset anything in these options. And yeah, it's a nice little hidden feature, because if something was wrong with the car, let's say I just got my oil changed but the car hasn't like figured that out yet, you can actually see that the screen would be yellow for the oil change light. So what you would do is you come in here and you just click real quick and you click reset, and then your car will automatically reset the light and you'll be back to as if you just switched to oil. So it's perfect. All right, for the next hidden feature, guys, it is going to be something that a lot of BMW owners may not have, just because in the US it's actually disabled, but you can get it re-enabled. It's actually the rear fog lights. So I'm gonna show you guys where the button is, and then I'll show you guys what it actually does. So we'll go to the back of the car and I'll show you guys. And if you do wanna know how to actually enable this, you can watch my other video down in the description. I'll leave a link to it. So if you guys see right here, let me just get the camera just like that. If you guys see, when you click this top button, that's your front fog light. So anyone with a BMW E90 in the US will have this. But this button down here that has nothing on it is actually the rear fog light button. So as you see, if I click it, it turns that on. So you click it and it's off, click it again, it's on. So basically what this does is it just enables the rear fog lights. This button is disabled on any car that's in the US, but you can enable it pretty easy. I think it was an 8-minute tutorial on my channel. So if you guys do want to do that, just make sure to check that out. Now I'm gonna go show you guys how it looks from the outside. So I'll have my cameraman helper go in the back of my car. Saw that?
Yeah.
As you guys can see right here, the light became a lot brighter. So if you guys see, if I turn it off like that, you guys will see it's not as bright anymore. And this actually helps mainly if you're driving somewhere with a lot of fog and you want to make sure the cars behind you can see you. Instead of turning on your hazards, you can just turn on these rear fog lights and cars will be able to see you in the fog a lot clearer. This hidden feature, guys, what you're gonna do is when you put your car in reverse, you guys will see that the right mirror actually goes down. You guys will see that now. Look at that, it'll go down so that it's pointing towards the sidewalk. It just kind of gives you a better view, and it's a lot easier to park backwards that way. Or when you're reversing, it just helps with visibility. For the last hidden feature, guys, it's not really a hidden feature, but not a lot of people use this function of the BMW cars. So basically, on the steering wheel, there's actually this little lever right here, which not many people know of, but if you pull this down, make sure you're in a park position. I wouldn't do this while you're driving. You can actually adjust your steering wheel both forward and backward, up and down. So you can put it to whatever comfort you like. I kind of go somewhere in the middle, and then once you put it wherever you like, you just boom, lock it, and your steering wheel is ready to go. That is gonna be the end of the video, guys. Hopefully you guys did enjoy all of these little hidden features, little functions that the BMW E90 has that not many people know. I know some people may know a lot of these, but I just wanted to make this video just to inform people who don't know this, because I was some of those people. I didn't know a lot of these features until I started kind of looking deeper into my car and looking at bunch of different things. If you guys do want to see a part 2, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know you guys want to see that. I don't know if I'd necessarily make it on this car specifically, just because I don't think there's that many more hidden functions, at least that I know of. But if I do find a lot more, I'll hopefully make a part 2. All the links for anything I've said will be down in the description. And guys, if you guys do want to subscribe to my channel, it'd be very beneficial, just because I was looking at the analytics and it said that 99.8% of my viewers are not subscribed and only 0.2% are. So if you guys could leave a sub down the... So if you guys could subscribe to the channel, that would help me out, just kind of support me, show me that you guys are actually watching the videos, want to watch more. Yeah. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.